Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Paige Kristen and I'm so excited that you're here. Welcome. If you are not new to my channel, thank you so much for coming back to view yet another video. In this video, I am going to be doing a DIY project that I saw on TikTok, so I'm excited about that, and also doing a little bit of unboxing for you guys today. So today I'm probably just going to hop into the March box from Boxy Charm. I'm really excited. I've been seeing a lot of posts about it, so I'm excited to actually do it now. It's a little late in the month, but hey, better late than never, right? So if you guys are interested in seeing more, keep on watching. All right, so let's hop into this Boxy Charm box and let's see what goodies we have this month. So quite a bit of goodies. We have a eyeshadow palette, a mascara, a rose water setting spray, a hydrating lip oil, and a brush cleansing system. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is the Venus 3 eyeshadow palette from Lime Crime. And I've actually never used any Lime Crime products before, but I have heard pretty good reviews about them and like them having really good pigmentation for the colors. So kind of excited that they have this included in this month's Boxy Charm box. So I might be more inclined to try some of their products. And here are the colors. So some really nice colors, especially for spring as we transition from winter. I'm going to love this color, I can already tell. This one and then this little mauve up here, I can already tell I'm gonna like those two colors. So I'm excited to use this. Next, we have a mascara called Damn Girl from Too Faced for shamelessly thick and curled lashes. Well, I have on lashes today, so I'm not gonna try it right now, but I'm excited. Like, look at the packaging, it's so cute. So first of all, it's like this metallic purple, and I love how it looks. It's very different, very geometric, and like I said, it's a metallic color, so very cute. Let's see. Ooh, tell me this ain't gonna get your lashes thick, sis. This is gonna get your lashes right, okay? Look at that. Look at that brush. Like, let me just, yeah, so this can focus. Like, look at this brush, y'all. This brush is going to get your lashes right. So when I try this, I'll make sure to check back in with you guys to let you know if I liked it or not. The next one is the Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. And I've actually never used a rose water setting spray. I've used the Mario Badescu spray, the cucumber one and the rose water one, and those I just typically like use to refresh my makeup throughout the day or refresh my face throughout the day, especially like when I'm on vacation or somewhere where it's really hot and my skin is already dry, so I want to make sure I'm hydrating it as much as possible. But this is an actual setting spray, so I might actually use this. So I'm excited to see if it keeps my makeup, you know, lasting a little bit longer throughout the day. But I do happen to really like rose water on my skin in general, so I'm excited to try this. So yeah, Maven Beauty, this is the rose water setting spray. Next we have the Cab Cosmetics, and I don't know if it's Cab or if it's K-A-B. We're gonna say Cab Cosmetics, and this is the hydrating lip oil, and this is, I guess it's scented blue raspberry. Okay, I'm understanding why it's called blue raspberry now, because it's actually blue. So it comes in 6 different tints and it says it lasts all day. So they sent me the blue raspberry one, so I'm excited to see what other ones they have. I want to see if it's, oh, you can actually, this smells pretty good actually. I don't really like stuff that smells like fruit. I don't know if that's just me, but I just don't like things that are like artificially like flavored or scented. Sometimes it like kind of makes me a little nauseous. Just giving y'all, I'm giving y'all a lot of TMI, like, but whatever. So I'm excited to actually try this. I love like anything hydrating. Like I do use the Kiehl's, it's a hydrating lip oil. That one is really good. Like it keeps your lips glossy and also keep really hydrated. So I tend to put that on while I'm applying the rest of my face, and then I'll go in with my lip product at the end. Lastly, we have the Lavish Wet Brush Cleansing System, and this comes with a silicone scrubbing pad. Ooh, this is nice. So I think this is the cleanser here. So it comes in a 3-part right here. So inside of this tin, I have the cleansing pad, or it seems like, yeah, this maybe this cleansing pad, and then this is the scrubbing pad, and the silicone is on the top of the tin. That's very neat. So I guess you like use this to scrub your brushes or to lather your brush, and then you scrub it on this cleansing pad. That's pretty neat. That's pretty cool. I'm actually going to use this because my brushes need to be cleaned. I haven't cleaned my brushes in months, and I'm like I don't really go anywhere where I wear makeup like consistently, but I do put on makeup frequently, especially like when I'm recording videos and whatnot. But yeah, I need to clean my brushes. I definitely am going to clean my brushes soon, so you guys make sure that I stick to it. So that was all that was featured in the Boxy Charm box for March. I do want to show you guys just a few clothing items that I got from Fashion Nova, and the only reason I'm showing you is because they came after I did my winter to spring transition haul. They were supposed to get here on time and they did not. So I just received my package, and it's only got 3 items, and I think these are going to come in handy because I am heading to LA in like 3 weeks. So I think these will come in handy. But this one, I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna try to find the links for you guys for these 3 products, but I'm not sure if they're gonna be sold out or not because I did order them a while ago. But this first shirt is kind of like a crisscross, and then it closes in the back with a zipper closure. It is long sleeve, but it is a crop top. I'm gonna try to show you guys kind of how it so it wraps like this around you like this, and then it also does that on the other sides. So I would say this is close to like a satin material, and like I was saying, it does have like a little bit of a statement sleeve. It is long sleeve, and I would call this color maybe mustard. It is a little bit closer to like a orange hue, but I would definitely call this top maybe like a mustard for sure. So I'm excited to wear that, and I might actually pair this with some jeans that I had gotten from Zara, and those are actually on the way too. I know y'all, I can't stop shopping. It's getting ridiculous. So I'm actually going to insert a picture for you guys right here so you can see how these items look, because yeah, I didn't do a good representation of what that shirt looks like on, because it is really actually very cute. And also for this dress, because this dress is going to look like a lot of material, just how it is like styled without me trying it on. But it has a mock collar, comes with 3 buttons in the back, and then it has sort of like a short sleeve here, and then this side is sleeveless. And then it comes with a waist tie as well, and I don't think it doesn't have pockets. And then it has a slit down at the bottom, and this is like an olive green color. So I'm going to insert a picture right here so you guys can see what it looks like on the model. It's very cute, and I cannot wait to wear it. Last item is this maxi dress. Also going to insert a picture for you guys so you can see what it looks like on the model. This is the front of it. It is printed. It's like a sunset orange color and like tan. Long sleeve. And this is the front of it. It does come with like a necktie at the top, and it is like it's like a deeper V for sure. And then it comes with the wrap tie as well around the waist. All right guys, so now that I've showed you the items that I had gotten from Fashion Nova in addition to the March box from Boxy Charm, we're about to hop right on into this DIY project that I saw featured on TikTok.
I'm flexing on my said